in terms of technical चीज़ें I asked it about so I asked it about तुम्हारा जो SSD के ऊपर speeds के ऊपर no because एक चीज़ है कि जो caching जो करता है SSDs, why is it faster than HDDs? Can't I just have a cluster of RAID? Because technically I can have a cluster of RAID hard
Right.
drives. So the point is that I am at this point now, where I think I can pretty much learn anything I want, and it is all empowered by YouTube, Google, AI mixed together. I can build anything I want, and everything is possible literally. So in that regard, जो मैंने आज उससे भी बात किया था with the internet I was talking to, and learning is like much faster today. So there is
Yeah.
no reason why you should not be able to become a senior engineer. समझ रहे हो ना?
But then that definition of a senior engineer is also
Changing.
Yeah, I mean engineers. What I think, senior engineers don't just do coding; they're also responsible for hiring new people. No interviews. उसमें बहुत time जाता है उनको.
Yeah. So you're basically evaluating if he's good enough.
Yeah.
To be a
तो
part of
उसमें
it.
बहुत I have seen my cousin
Well,
do that a lot.
technical interviews होता है, like the
Yeah,
other
yeah.
interviews are done by someone else. Technical interviews में is like because you already have the knowledge.
No, he also shortlists कि किसको करना है किसको नहीं, rating करना पड़ता है. It's
Learning them is so easy right now that अगर तुम्हारे पास वो hustle है ना,
yeah.
you just should do everything that you get.
Yeah.
तुमको करना चाहिए. Like ऐसा क्या है जो तुम सीख नहीं पा रहे हो अभी currently? No, I still remember back in the day, जब when I started coding.
Yeah.
जब AI and all these things were not this accessible. ना, and I'll tell him कि well you should. But then उसने कभी start नहीं किया because he doesn't know how to start.
I think they also want to optimize for a certain outcome, no?
Yeah.
अच्छा मैं सीखूंगा मेरे को ये ROI मिलेगा ही मिलेगा.
हाँ.
That is the thing they want to go do
Assurance
anything. Assurance, yeah. Certainty
जो
चाहिए.
है नहीं.
जो है नहीं. I mean this is there's an analogy that I always go back to is you look at any top athlete, you look at any top musician, you look at any top person, right? Musk. Let's take Usain Bolt, right? वो जब दौड़ना शुरू किया था, it was not because he wanted to, like he was waiting for the right shoes to come, the right equipments to be there,
Yeah.
and then he would start running, and outcome is already guaranteed कि वो Olympic medal होने वाला है ना. It's not that. He started because he was enjoying doing it, and he did it so well. He pursued it so much that he ended up getting those Olympic medals, right, for him, for the country.
That is how
He did it for the joy of it.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि वो start करते ही उसको पहले से पता था Olympic medal में मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
हाँ,
है ना?
100%.
तो right now that is the mindset I think with most people is like they want to optimize for outcome. They want to optimize कि यार मेरे को अगर मैं कर रहा हूँ ना मेरे को ये फायदा होना ही चाहिए.